The thing with bankruptcy and getting rid of your debt, the nice thing about it is it's instant. Like on a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, all your debt, your medical, your credit cards, your collections, all that stuff will be gone, wiped out in somewhere between 3 and 4 months. As opposed to debt validation companies or debt negotiation companies that can take years, 2, 3, 4 years. With bankruptcy, it's immediate. The other thing about bankruptcy that's nice, it's easier to rebuild a credit score after a bankruptcy because everything's clean. It's a fresh start. It's easier to get a car in bankruptcy. I mean, we have people who are considering bankruptcy, can get rid of that old car and get a brand new car for them during bankruptcy. And the banks will lend to that because they realize the person's not going to file another bankruptcy for many, many, many years, if ever at all. Bankruptcy is an option that many people don't even consider. When you go through our first course with Evergreen Financial Counseling, you're going to look at your options and you're going to say, hey, should I talk to a bankruptcy attorney or not? And we'll be able to see from the numbers if you should or you should not. Our job is to educate you. Our job is to educate you on the next step. And then you can make the best decision for you and your family.